Hello everybody, welcome back. Okay, now we are on 12b. Now they use diverging lens. Okay, still half the height of the object's image is diminished by 50%. Okay, first state the nature of all the image formed by a diverging lens. Diverging lens, I remember. Just one kind of image, textbook problem, direct, smaller but diminished, and virtual. Excellent. And this is important for part 2 too. Okay, so in part 2 is that so that the position of the object is at the focus of the lens are still the position of the object U. Okay, but now it is a virtual image, so V is negative. Negative what? Okay, half the size also, so U over 2. And also now it's a diverging lens. Okay, so negative F also. So be careful about the size, but the equation is still there. Lens formula no change, no change. Just when you substitute, you need to bear in mind the sign. So it is okay 1 over negative U over 2, and then equals 1 over negative F. A little bit strange, but you got it easily. So this U and F should be positive value now. Okay. Okay, now we join this together, you got is 1 over U minus the 2 over U equals minus 1 over F. But that's the good thing, okay, minus 1 over U equals minus 1 over F, so you got it? So U is positive. Yeah, it's a real object, should be positive. Show it. So the object is at the focus, and then the image will be at negative U over 2 half way to the focus and virtually. So the UV object image should be at the same side of the lens. Okay. So draw a straight scale diagram to show the situation. So we got the graph paper here. Remember, it is a diminished, okay, diminished object. So try to draw it bigger. So okay, to scale. Okay. So it is the object. So remember, parallel pass through the optical center low bending, always draw this one easier. And then parallel to the principal focus is just like being reflected from the focus. Okay, reflected from. So from the focus, look at the same scale, 2.5. Okay. And the other is hard to draw because it's a broken line, so I use a pencil to draw it. Okay, broken line. Remember, behind the Mueller virtual thing is a broken line, so the image is also broken line. Okay, and then you draw the arrow. All the arrows are important. Remember, 2 arrows, and then mark it is object and mark it is the image. Excellent, we did it, right? Well done, good jobs.